one time he tell line for the kind of it. One day, the Buddha asked outside to Rahula, please bring me a basin of water. I want to wash my feet. He washed his feet in the basin of water and asked Rahula, would you drink this water? No, it's dirty. The Buddha asked Rahula to throw the water away. When the water gets dirty, no one wants to drink. It's the same cool town line. No one cares for them anymore. We should always tell the truth. No lying.